Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the Automation Hub. So guys, today I'm going to talk about how to install Java JDK 23 version in your Windows 11, right? So actually I'm going to make videos about Java like core Java and the oops concept of Java, right? So I'm going to start this series, Java series. So for this, first of all, we need to download Java, and first of all you need to download Java in your system. Then second step is you need to download Eclipse IDE, right, in your system. Then you can write the code, Java code, right? So for this guys, first of all we need to download Java in our system, right? So how we can download Java? Simple guys, go to the browser and type here Oracle Java and click on click search, right? So when you click on this, so see Java software Oracle website, you can see here official. So just open this website. When you click on this Oracle official website, you will see guys, download option is there, right? So simple click on download option. When you click on download option, as you can see here, JDK 23, right? This is the latest version, you can see here JDK 23. So if you want to download this, simple guys, we have like three options, as you can see here: Linux, Mac and Windows, right? So if it depends on you, your requirement. Like if you are using Linux, then you can select this option, right? If you're using Mac, you can click on this, and if you're using Windows, you can click on this. So right now I am going to download in window 11, right? So I am going to select this window, right? Then what we need to check, like I'm going to select this x64 installer here, right? So this is the exe, right, file, you can see, and this is zip and this msi. So I'm going to select this exe file, and when you click on this, see this will start downloading. So guys, I already have JDK 23, so I'm going to cancel this, and I can show you here I already downloaded the JDK 23, right? So I downloaded here. So what we need to do, when you download this, you need to double click on this, okay? And when you double click on this, so you will double click on this, you will see the step next or cancel, right? You just need to click on next, 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 and you will install your JDK 23, right? Once your JDK is installed in your system, you need to do what? You need to go to the C drive, and what you need to do, go to the profile program files here, and you will see Java folder is there, right? Once JDK is installed in your system, you need to go to the program files and select this Java folder. When you select this Java folder, you will see JDK 23 already installed in your system. That's why you can see this one is stored here, right? JDK 23. I already have JDK 11. Now I downloaded JDK 23, right? What I want to do next, like I downloaded the JDK 23, then I installed JDK 23 in my system, right? Then the next step is we need to configure path, Java path in our environment variable, right? So how we are going to configure? Simple, select this bin folder and copy this path. I'm going to copy this path, and then I want to add this path in my environment variable. So simple, I'm going to open environment variable. So simple, you can, when you type environment, you can see here this system property window will open, and in advanced you will see environment variable, right? So when you click see this, just click on this environment variable, you will see path. This option you will see here. So just double click on this path, so you will see this this window will open, right? So what you need to see, like you need to click on this new, and as you can see here guys, I already added this path. See, Java program files, Java JDK 23 and bin. So you just simple need to click on this and just copy this path, like V, control V. But I don't want to copy again because I already added, so I'm going to cancel this. As I can show you here, this one I saved, right? When you save this and just click on OK. When you click on OK, then click on OK. So this path is saved in your environment variable, right? Then click on OK. So now see, I did set the environment variable path, like Java path in my environment variable, right? Second step is done. Now I want to check if Java version is installed in my system, my laptop or not, my window, right? So I want to check. So CMD, simple open command prompt. When you open command prompt, just type Java dash space then dash dash version. I want to check which version is installed in my system, right? So when you click this, you will see Java 23. So the latest version installed in my window, right? So this task is done, right? First step is completed. I downloaded Java 23, right? Second step is what? If I want to learn Java programming, right? I want to set up my laptop, right? How can I download JDK kit, and how I can download Eclipse? Then if first two step is completed, then I will move to the coding part, right? So first step is completed, right? I did download the JDK 23 version, right? Now I want to second thing what we need to do, we need to check how to download Eclipse in your system, right? So guys, as like I am telling you how to download Eclipse, but as you can see, Eclipse is already installed in my system, but I am going to show you how you can download. Simple. As the way we downloaded Java, just open the browser, and I am going to type here download Eclipse. When I'm going to type this download Eclipse for Windows, you will see the first option here, Eclipse, right? So just open this first option. When you go to this official Eclipse website, see, you will see here install your favorite desktop IDE packages, right? And this option also. So I'm going to select this download packages. When I'm going to click on this download packages, you will see different types of IDEs there. Like it depends on your requirement. If you want to use Eclipse for PHP developers, you can select this. If you want to use this one, you can see C++, you can use this IDE. I want to use Java, right? Java developers, IDE for Java developers. I want to pick this one. See, so simple Eclipse for IDE Java developers, and you can see here, guys, the support, like this one support Git client, XML editor, Maven also this one support, and Gradle also support. Like you can see all the integration what this one is supported, right? So you can see here, and then what you need to do, if I want to download in my window, I will select this one. I want to download in Mac, I will select this one. And if I want to download in Linux, I will select this one, right? So I want to download in Windows. So simple, just click on this. When you click on this, see, download option will open, and see, this one automatically start downloading. One second, just you need to click on this. When you click on this one start to download here in the top right corner. But I am going to cancel this, guys, because I already downloaded this Eclipse. That's why I'm going to cancel. But you need to download like this, and the same way you need to install in your system, right? How you are going to install? Just once this will download, just unzip this file and then double click on this. So you will just go to next, 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 and then this way you can download Eclipse, right?